Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the show. My name's Anton, and today's episode is brought to you by Melanie, who has requested that we check out the song Wait the Truck by Hardy and Lainey Wilson, which this just recently came out. And for anyone who doesn't know who Hardy is, he is an American country singer and songwriter, and his actual name is Michael Wilson Hardy. And he's pretty recent. He actually started his career back in only 2018. That's actually surprising. He's come such a long way in literally only 4 years. Wow. And also, before we get into this one, make sure you guys stay to the end of the video because I'm going to be revealing how you can win a free song quest and get exclusive bonus content. And that's it. So let's get into Hardy, Wait in the Truck, featuring Lainey Wilson.
I got turned around in some little town I'd never been to before, working my way through a middle of June midnight thunderstorm. There was something in the headlights that stopped me on a dime. Well, she was scared to death, so I said climb in, and then she climbed. She was bruised and broke from head to toe, with a tear in her blood-stained shirt. She didn't tell the whole truth, but she didn't have to. I knew what had happened to her. I didn't load her down with questions. That girl had been through enough. I just threw it in drive, looked in those eyes, and asked her where he was. I don't know if he's an angel.
I got chills there for some reason, I don't know why.
He was hell-bent to find a man behind all the whiskey scars I hid. I never thought my day of justice would come from a judge under a seat, but I knew right then I'd never get hit again when he said to me, wait in the truck, just wait in the truck. Well, I knocked and no one came, so I kicked in his double-wide door. I let the hammer drop before he got to that 12 he was reaching for. I didn't try to hide my pistol, I didn't even try to run. I just sat on the porch smoking one of his cigarettes and waited for the cops to come. I don't know if he's an angel, 'cause angels don't do what he did. He was hell-bent to find a man behind all the whiskey scars I hid. I never thought my day of justice would come from a judge under a seat, but I knew right then I'd never get hit again when he said to me, wait in the truck, just wait in the truck. Whoa, have mercy on me, Lord, have mercy on me. Have mercy on me, Lord. It's been 60 months, and she still comes to see me from time to time. It was worth the price to see a brighter side of the girl I picked up that night. And I might be here forever. It ain't paradise, that's true, but it's a whole hell of a lot better than the place I sent him to.
Thank you.
Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy. Wait in the truck, just wait in the truck.
Well, gospel influence there.
Just wait in the truck. Have mercy, have mercy, have mercy on me, Lord.
Wow. All right, that was Hardy, Wait in the Truck. Wow, that was a damn. That was a masterpiece on every level, man. That wow. I don't know the last time I got so pulled into a music video like that. That was incredible. And it wasn't just the music video, it was a song too. Hardy is a fantastic storyteller. Wow. That was exceptional. I was so pulled into that. Wow, I was like just hanging on every single word. And you know, I was just thinking at the very end, I was thinking, man, that's what like God, man, country. I don't want to say that's what it has over every genre because I don't think it's fair. Because every genre has something they have over every other genre. You know, every genre has something they do really well. And I think what country does so well, they do a lot of things really well, but like their storytelling is superb. This could have been a movie. The directing, exceptional. The actual song and Hardy's vocal delivery and the lyrics, like the lyrics were so well. The storytelling in the lyrics themselves was phenomenal. Just like it's hard for me to articulate just why it was so good. Just everything together, the cinematic aspect of this song was just a masterpiece. Just incredibly well done. Yeah, I'm kind of speechless on this one, not gonna lie. I don't really have as many things as I usually had to say about something. But this was remarkable. And I think like after doing so many songs on the channel, I checked and I think we've done 1,200 across both channels. We've done 1,200 reactions. It is nice to get something that's truly unique, you know? Something like this, something that's just like you're not expecting that. And you go, man, that's different. That's artistic. A lot of like, you know, all good music's artistic, but this is a cinematic experience. This is this is remarkable. And I'm in a vibe right now where like I want to check out more stuff like this, like more storytelling things that just like have an amazing music video to accompany an amazing song. Because there's like, man, it was a different kind of experience being so pulled into a video. And the cool thing is what I really liked about this is that some videos that are that really good, they take away from the song. But this felt like a confluence of the song and the video. It felt like they just fit together like a glove. I didn't feel like I had a worse song listening experience because the video was so good. It felt like the video elevated the song. And maybe, who knows, maybe I'll listen to the song and I'll be like, wow, I missed a lot of this because it was so focused on the